Hi guys, today in this video we'll show how to lube a 3x3 cube in a perfect manner. So let's get started.
Wherever love goes, there is always...
Take a look at the lube. So this is the silicone oil lube. So first we'll take out the edge piece which is already removed and then put 2 drops of the lube in it. Yeah, you can see, just spread it so that like this, yeah. Now we'll put one drop in the corner piece. This corner. This corner. The last corner. And now just break down the lube. Yeah, see? Now it seems pretty fast. And if there is any lube on the cube, so you can rub it. Now you can see the cube has become pretty smooth and fast. So this was the perfect way to lube a cube. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe for better luck.